Hello students, so you've taken admission in BA first year, and in BA first year you'll be studying two papers of English, that is number one is compulsory English and second is AECC. AECC2, that is writing skills paper, and this paper is common for all the students of BA first, BSc first, BCom first, and honors students. This paper is called Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course. So I hope this is clear to you now कि कोई confusion नहीं है कि एक आपका compulsory English का paper होगा और एक आपका Ability Enhancement Compulsory Course ये paper होगा, and the code of this paper is ENG AECC 104. Clear? Okay. So now I'll discuss the syllabus with you. So you'll have these topics in your syllabus. Number one is diary writing. Number two is paragraph writing. तो इसके साथ तो आप काफ़ी familiar भी होंगे, आपने पिछले classes में भी किया होगा. Then there is summary or note making. Next is letter writing. Letter writing में आपको formal and informal both types of letter will be you will be doing. Okay, it's letter writing. And then there is CV or resume writing. Next is report writing. Then there is interview or the feature article. So in these two topics also you'll have a choice. And then there is notice writings. So all these topics will be covered in this paper, that is AECC. Okay. Now I'll discuss the pattern of testing with you. मतलब marks कैसे distribute होंगे. So the first topic is diary writing. So the जो question इस पे आएगा that will be of 6 marks. Next question will be based on paragraph writing and it will be of 6 marks. Next is note making, 10 marks. Then letter writing, formal and informal letter. कुछ भी मतलब you'll have a choice also. So that will also be of 10 marks. Then there is resume writing. Again it will be of 10 marks. Report writing 10 marks. अब ये जो दो टॉपिक्स हैं इनमें फिर से आपको चॉइस है द इंटरव्यू एंड फीचर आर्टिकल और ये है 12 मार्क्स. एंड देन देयर इज दिस क्वेश्चन नोटिस राइटिंग और ये है 6 मार्क्स का. ओके तो ये सारे जो है टोटल पेपर आपका होगा 70 मार्क्स का. अब वैसे तो आपको 100 मार्क्स का है ये, सो 30 मार्क्स की आपकी इंटरनल असेसमेंट होगी. ओके एंड दिस इंटरनल असेसमेंट विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? सी अटेंडेंस. 5 marks is for attendance. So it's very important for you to attend classes regularly. Then there is a class test. So ये जो क्लास टेस्ट होंगे आपके वो उनके भी आपको 5 मार्क्स होंगे. फिर हाउस टेस्ट होगा आपका, दैट विल बी ऑफ 10 मार्क्स एंड यू विल बी गिविंग और सबमिटिंग वन असाइनमेंट और प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके सो दैट विल ऑल्सो कैरी 10 मार्क्स. तो ये जो आपकी 30 मार्क्स की असेसमेंट है ये इन चीज़ों पर बेस्ड होगी. एंड देन one end term examination that will be of 70 marks. तो in total ये जो है it will be of 100 marks. I hope you have understood this now. अब आप ये पूछेंगे कि हम कौन से बुक्स कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं इस पेपर के लिए. So these are some of the books that you can take for reading or you can refer to these books. Number one is Fluency in English Part 1, Macmillan 2005. Number 2 is Fluency in English Part 2, Unit 1 to 5. Number 3 is Interchange Workbook 3rd and 4th edition, Cambridge University Press, Unit 1 to 8. ये बुक भी आप ले सकते हैं इसके लिए रीडिंग के लिए. बिजनेस इंग्लिश पियर्सन 2008 यूनिट 4 to 6. Then this is another book which you can consider is New Headway Intermediate Students book 3rd edition Oxford University Press. Okay, तो ये जो books हैं इनको आप for this paper you can refer to these books. So with this I come to the end of this video and thank you for listening attentively and happy learning to all of you. And for further queries you can consult your teachers.